Welcome back to Small Lathe. Today we have something a bit unusual. We're turning a clear acrylic rod. I bought this off of eBay. And we won't be just turning it. This is for a specific cause, but the cause is not mine. I'm doing it for my PhD mentor. And he needs a little bit of machining help, so I volunteered. I'm not going to get into what it does and what it doesn't because it's something he does and I don't want to get into that. So, your permission, I'll just put some music on and you can enjoy the video from now on. I didn't do anything except for basic machining, and you can see it's really nice, almost clear. Still opaque a bit, yes, but it's flat. I can't feel any bumps there. Very smooth like. There we go. Switch to turn. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just a partial turning because there are more parts to be added to this unit. But it's really fun to cut through clear acrylic. You do have to oil your bits a lot. And I think it turned out fairly well. Not perfect, but fairly well, considering the tools and limitations. So this is really nice. As you can see, other things should thread here in on both sides. And there are other machining sessions I need to do on this part, so it's definitely not complete, not even close. Oh, before I forget, I used a reamer. If you want to protect your reamers, and this is used in the biofilmed parafilm, these sheets of wax. Now this is a 20-year-old product, meaning I have it in my shop in really lousy weather and conditions. When they're brand new, they lose the paper rather easily, so it's a lot more fun to use, but I got this as a gift. Just coat your reamer nicely. It will protect the blades, and this is sealed. I can use it as a sleeve or just lock it in there tightly, and then I can't remove it without tearing the parafilm layer off, which is fine. It's easily replaced. So just a tip for protecting your tools over time. And I've kept it there oiled, so there is oil there. It's not just sitting there waiting for rust to start. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a wonderful day.